some hot chocolate, and I'm gonna make a whipped cream with some peanut butter. All right, let's make some hot chocolate. So I'm gonna start with 2 cups of half and half and 2 cups of milk. And we're gonna use some milk chocolate and some semi-sweet chocolate. We're just gonna melt it into the milk and the cream. Hot chocolate puts me in a good mood. Reminds me of my childhood. Now I'm gonna make some peanut butter whipped cream. So we're gonna use a cup of heavy cream. We're gonna put it into this cold bowl. And you know, the cold bowl is actually just gonna make the cream get to those stiff peaks a little bit quicker. All right, then I'm gonna take some creamy peanut butter, a couple of tablespoons, and a little bit of vanilla extract. All right, so we have our peanut butter whipped cream. I have some chocolate-covered peanuts. Just chop them. Yum. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of milk chocolate and 1/4 of semi-sweet, so it's not too sweet. Pinch of sea salt, just to kind of bring out the flavors of the chocolate itself. And then you wanna let the chocolate melt into the milk and the cream, and we'll have a beautiful hot chocolate. Of course, some peanut butter whipped cream. Some chocolate-covered peanuts. Looks really good. It's like a liquid chocolate peanut butter cup. I just love those flavors together. You know, it's really hot chocolate. The peanut butter whipped cream just kind of cools it down so you can start to drink it right away. I'll drink this throughout the entire meal.